I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to do a product review on the Cortech Latigo back protector. When I first handled this product, tried it on, and really took a good look at it, I got to tell you, it exceeded my expectations. Once again, Cortech, and that's just what they do. They don't make the flashiest stuff. They don't have the biggest name in the industry. Those things are true. But they find a way to just make really nice products that are worth the money you spend on them and then some. I think their value typically exceeds their retail price. And at $89, as of the filming of this video, remember prices can change. At $89, this thing delivers a ton of value in my opinion. CE Level 2 certified. So this passes, right, the most current, the high certification for back protection. It's using hard outer plates. They are segmented, so it has some flex built into it. There is some thickness to this as well. It's not the thinnest protector that we use, but most of the Level 2 certified pieces, they do lean a little more to the thick side, so just be cognizant of that. Of course, we're showing you it in this video. I'm wearing the protector. You can get an idea of how thick it actually is. You want to make sure you have ample room inside the suit to accommodate it. Foam on the inside. You can see that we've got some ventilated mesh foam here, segmented foam here to help promote airflow. There's some base material inside the protector as well to manage the energy, so you have a combination of that hard outer shell that is working then with that medium density foam that's in the middle of it all, and then the softer foam that touches your body to give you a good measure of protection. And I got to tell you, it looks really good. It, once again, totally exceeds expectations. This is the most affordable back protector in our catalog that we're focused on, that we've looked at. It's part of our comparison because I feel that it brings real value. It's available in two sizes. The size that I'm wearing is a large, extra large. There is also a small, medium. For reference, the size large is for torso height, and they give kind of a span here that it can fit. The large, extra large recommend 500 to 540 millimeters of torso height. Essentially what that is, that's from your waist to the top of your shoulders, okay? Now I'll just kind of give it to you in English. If you're 5'9" and up, well, let's go with the large, extra large. If you're shorter than that, then I would go with the small, medium. That's going to be a good basis. The rest of the details, features, bennies. We have removable straps, which I love to see. Personally, I don't like to use the straps. I'll typically take the shoulder straps off and roll with only the waist strap underneath the race suit. I like to do whatever I can to remove layers underneath the suit that really, in the end, there's no benefit to me by having the strapping system. If your suit or jacket are looser, you might need the shoulder straps. They're adjustable, and they also have a cross strap here for the chest that's adjustable, so you're really able to dial in that fit. This is another feature that I really liked for the kidneys. They have protectors here, and these feel like some reasonable density foam that are stitched in segments so that they move with you, integrated into the waist belt. This is a two-stage waist belt. The first one uses large panels of perforated to promote airflow and cooling, once again, which is really important. You're adding this layer. Spandex. You want to put that one on. Don't over tighten that one. Okay, you want to leave that one just a little bit loose and then throw a little tension at it with that second layer. If you take that first strap when you're standing and you snug it all the way so it can't stretch anymore, remember when you're riding, your torso, it's expanding, contracting, your abs are flexing, relaxing all the time, so your waist size changes. If the strap is unable to give because you've maxed it out, what you'll end up doing is basically you'll be uncomfortable, number one, and number two, you'll end up pulling the straps right off the product. I've seen that with older versions of back protectors. So as a tip, leave the first layer a little bit to the loose side and then go ahead and throw a little bit of tension at it with that second layer, which is all elastic material. Another benefit to this is at the end of the day, let's say if your core is a little tired, you're able to snug that up a little extra. Just gives you that little extra pep, fortifies you a little bit in the core, re-energizes you, and keeps you going. All in all, what do I think? $89. $89. This is a lot of value. You know, they've been involved in racing. My man Jake Lewis, number 85, M4 X-Star Suzuki, okay, races in their suits, gloves, boots. Great stuff for sure. $89 bucks. This thing is a solid value in my opinion.